What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Today we're going to do a cup holder test on the F97 X3M Competition. Just kidding. We're going to learn how to do launch control mode because this seems to be confusing for a lot of people. Here's the steps, guys. This is the same for the X3M. Number one, push this button until you're in Sport Plus on your engine/exhaust. Number two, push this button to get your transmission into the 3-bar mode. Number three, press this button and hold until traction control is off. And number four, click your shifter to the right to get from D1 to 1. And now, as soon as we get to the safe closed course track we're about to pull on, you're gonna come to a dead stop. You're gonna hold your brake as hard as you can, and you're gonna hold the gas to the floor. Let's get out in the road. So I'm just cruising for just a moment as the track clears. All right, we're gonna downshift back into first, come to a dead stop, brake all the way down, gas all the way down, launch control activated. And I'm manually shifting that because we were in 1. I don't know if it shifts automatically. So you guys can be the judge of that. Don't over rev your car. It won't let you, I know, but just be aware. Now to get it back in manual D mode, back to the right, we're in D4 and we're safe. And we just crushed a lot of cars off the line. These things are pretty wicked fast stock. I can't imagine with a stage 2 tune, let alone with a downpipe. Now your car is going to shift really high until you put your transmission back in 1 or 2. So reserve that for, for other race and spirited driving. Don't drive around town like that or you're going to over rev. Hope this was helpful. Let's see a little footage of the truck just to make this video long enough to post on YouTube and make the YouTube algorithm happy. You guys be good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more exterior footage and more launches. I just wanted to teach this really quick since I couldn't find a clear and concise video on it. Thanks, guys.